Hey there, Mitch here from TGM. I just want to make this quick video going through how one of our speed to lead system works in Go High Level. So if you have a look here, this is designed for customer intake forms or any sort of form that captures leads. You can see here as an example, I've got website and Facebook forms. And what basically happens in here is a lead's going to come in or submit their form, and then depending on if it is a weekday, weekend, between office hours and outside of office hours, we're going to run a whole bunch of different follow-up workflows depending on. Now, if we look up here, Facebook website, create new lead, a little bit of a condition here, which is kind of irrelevant for this one because I just have the website one set up. But what you'd do here is you would just go to and have them all down this path. For example, go to. It's not like me doing it, but you get the idea. I just have that there because sometimes I'll want to split things out depending on what form comes in. But then here we have a condition. So current day of week, weekday or weekend, and go down different paths. If weekend, we're going to send them an auto message straight away, basically asking if we can help them and if they would like to book. Then we have a sequence of if they reply, we're going to send them down here to the AI agent and also update opportunity. If they don't reply, 1 hour timeout, send another little follow-up message, 2 hour timeout, send another follow-up message. So you've got a few messages there just to try and get them back in after they've submitted that form over the weekend. Then during the workday or weekday, it's got another little one of these condition blocks. Is the hour between whatever your work hours are. Then if it's within work hours, it's going to send a little notification, wait a minute, and then it's going to connect a call. So you will need to have a phone number in Go High Level to use this step, but it'll call you and say you have a new lead from source XYZ, their name is this, any additional details, press any key to connect, and then your phone's automatically going to ring their phone. And from here, I have to make this go to another workflow just so it can process the different outcomes of the call, whether it's calls completed or cancelled or whatever else it is, which I'll go through in a second. But then again, here, if it's outside of work hours during the week, it's going to do a similar SMS follow-up. If they respond, or jump into this line, wait 2 hours. If there's a response, send to the AI agent. If there's no response, continue with a little follow-up sequence. But for this call step, I have another workflow here. Post phone call, and as you can see here, might just move my face over here, you got all these different options. So call fails, busy, cancelled, no answer. Call direction is outgoing, so we called them, and in workflow speed to lead, so that's 3.00 and this is 3.01, so that's just the workflow that we're in before. Then here, obviously, status, call completed, and then same settings for the rest. For these, I have nothing, but these should just have a little notification. But if the call fails, then it's got another SMS follow-up. You can also add a voicemail. So you can record a voicemail, add it here, and it'll automatically send it to the person. You just want to keep it kind of general, so you're not using anyone's name. And then it'll wait 1 hour. Does someone respond? Send another little follow-up. So this is pretty much the same follow-up sequence on the other one. And if they do reply, it sends to a conversational AI, which I don't think I have this one set up correctly, because you would add a condition here to book a call or inspection, estimate, or whatever it is. But basically, you need to split these into two because the only way you can split out the results of the call is by using this sort of setup. But that's just one way that we process onboarding forms, customer inquiry forms. But it just gives you a good idea of how we design these follow-up sequences.